Okay, good morning, good morning. Ito ang buhay Canada. Mga kaibigan. Look. Good George. Wow, beautiful. Oh, I forgot I will get the tarp, Manang. For your car. Oh, lamig. Oh. Manang.
Oh, that's from Mana Emma?
Yeah.
How to put that?
Isabit mo lang ito, Sarmeng. Isabit mo to, Sarmeng. Ato yung nag-travel mo dito eh. Sabit mo dito. Paunog mo.
This is the front? Ay, not the front na to?
I think so. This is the front.
Okay, George, come. Get from that side. Let's just try.
They trying the what do you call that, man? Windshield cover for the snow.
Yeah. But when you go on the street, when you park, you may not find out this.
Somebody will...
No, there's a lot.
This is
There,
locked?
you can pour inside the
Yeah, you have to
the
put.
one.
This is on
this
the
one, George?
mirrors. You have to lock
Yeah.
this.
You can
oh, yeah,
you can put it inside.
You have
then
to
you have
lock
to
this.
Yeah. This one is here.
You have to lock this. This is on the mirror,
Yeah.
but you have to lock this inside.
Yeah.
You see? This you have to lock because you will not find this.
Okay.
You have to
You open
put
the
it-
door and put inside and
put it
close it.
inside.
Oh, thank you. So we're gonna try that.
Yeah.
And then you do
Let she get it. I need that.
You remember the neighbor before? He
20,
sold it to
22
Emma.
bucks.
Holy shit.
$22.
Okay, take it out.
Mine is for free. Gave by Kuya Glenn, Tito
But
Glenn.
it's expensive.
But this is nice. This is a nice one. Especially during the night, morning you wake up.
Even in sunny day, you can use it during summer.
Oh yeah, during the summer when it's
Yeah.
gonna be hot inside.
Nice day, Raquel.
I know.
Look at the bands.
Next time when snow, I'm not coming here.
Why, George?
Call safe.
Ganyan ho ang tamang paglinis ng ano.
Oh, you have
Paglinis ng sasakyan.
you have
Tanggal
the
na
blue
yung
and
snow.
This is so tiny, George.
This is okay. Maybe I don't want it longer because you need to have a space to keep it.
Katagsin kaya mo dyan.
Ajay.
Di kasama isa.
Oh, ang launay. Pero ginamit mo?
Uwan.
But kaya ko na yung size. Yung pag ganito, yung kagaya sa kanya, mas sanay.
Aja matik makasdi ka duwa nga ima. Ate anak ni Kuya Roy yun eh. Sumbrot.
That's okay.
Ah.
Not bad.
Seryoso.
You know what? Maybe the boss owner, he used this because there's so many scratch on the door.
On the parking lot, people with the
Aji manang.
carts.
And the guy didn't
Jai?
know how to cut that the scratch.
On the parking lot, when
parking.
you're
The
going
first owner
shopping.
doesn't know how to clean it.
Yeah, it's gonna be like this. You're gonna see everything from the distance.
It's okay.
It's clean now.
Maybe some with new ones.
Yeah, maybe.
That's why when it's
Umulan naman. May cover siya. Okay, bye-bye guys. Keep safe. Hindi pa tapos. Oh, walang ganong dumarang sakyan mga kapatid. Gawa ng today is the start of the lockdown here in Toronto.
Because you're gonna put it inside the car, gonna be wet everything.
While Tito George is cleaning the car.
All the cars.
Oh.
What's that? Christmas gifts already?
Christmas tree.
Today is -5 or
-5?
yeah,
It's +20.
plus 20. Look at plus 20. Look at the snow is falling down. Okay, bye bye guys. Keep safe and God bless you guys. Bye bye.